Hello everyone, this is Zack's pronunciation. This goalkeeper from Czech Republic, his name in his home country is pronounced Petr Čech. Petr Čech. The ending is like KH. Čech. Petr Čech. And in English they pronounce his name Petr Čech. Check like the check we cash in the bank. Petr Čech. In English, Petr Čech, and in his home country, Petr Čech. Czech like the ending KH. Petr Čech. Petr Čech or Petr Čech is a Czech former professional footballer. He played for clubs like Chelsea, Arsenal, and represented the Czech Republic national football team. Petr Čech or Petr Čech. Thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe Zack's pronunciation for more pronunciation videos.